Welcome to French Diaries. Today we are going to discuss subject pronouns. In French we call it les pronoms sujets. Les pronoms sujets. It consists of two words, subject and pronoun. Subject, who is doing the action, and pronoun is the word which replaces noun. Let's understand it with the help of an example. John is playing. Here, John is a subject and John is a noun also. Is an auxiliary verb and playing is an action verb. So who is doing the action? John. John is a noun which can be replaced with he, right? Because he is doing the action. So he is the subject pronoun. In French, subject pronoun has been divided into 6 parts. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Let's understand it one by one. First one is je. This is not je, this is je. Je means I. Second one is tu. This is tu, not tu. Tu. Tu means you. This is il, means he. Elle, elle means she. On, on means it. Then nous. Nous, nous means we. Vous. Vous, vous means you. Il, masculine plural, elle, feminine plural for they. Je, tu, il, elle, on, nous, vous, il, and elle. First 3 are singular and the next 3 are plural. Right? You must have noticed one thing here, that I have mentioned you twice. One is here, other one is here. So what is the difference? This tu we are using in case of informal situation. Informal. Or which are familiar to you. Familiar. Like with our friends, right? With young ones, and whom you are familiar with. This vous we are using in formal situations, like with your teachers, with your seniors, or who are unfamiliar. Right? In case you get confused which one to use, it's always better to play safe. Go with vous, as I do. Other thing is, this il, this is also il. Elle, this is also elle. Pronunciation is same, but the difference is in singular and plural. There's one more thing. O mostly we are using in case of informal situation. Like it could be one, it could be we, or it could be they. And we are using it in daily French mostly. Now there are few important notes to be made. First one is agreement. Agreement with person, with number, and with gender. For example, if the subject is masculine singular, so we should use il, right? If the person is feminine singular, so we should use L. If we are talking about a group of people, we should use this one, L for masculine plural and L for feminine plural. One point is quite important here. If the group consists of masculine and feminine both, we should use this L, not this one. Right? Second one is formal and informal. As we have already discussed, then this tu is informal and this vous is formal. Right? Third one is position. So the position of subject pronoun is mostly before verbs, but in some cases we can put it after verbs also. Right? I hope it's clear. If you like this video, please like and subscribe French Diaries. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.